So we start off with 2.5 cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of active yeast. Here we go, 1 tablespoon. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. So next I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of salt to the mixture and 2 tablespoons of oil. Next I'm going to add in about 5.5 to 6 cups of flour. So you should knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So since my dough is clinging to the side of the bowl, it's not coming to a form of a ball, so I'm just going to add in a little bit more flour. I transfer the dough into the bowl with a little bit of oil in the bottom, and I cover with a towel, a kitchen towel, and I'm going to put it in the oven to let it sit for about an hour so it can double in size. So I'm going to start with the long side and just start to roll it up. Just gonna roll it up. So here we go, and I cut some slit on top. So I'm going to proof this again for another hour so it can double inside before we bake them, okay? So my bread has doubled inside, so I'm going to put it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. So here's the bread, freshly out of the oven. Look at, isn't that pretty color? Yummy, ain't it? Look at that, it's nice and soft in the middle, freshly baked, smells so good. So I hope you liked this video. Remember to give a like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Thank you, bye bye, enjoy.